Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison of HoneyBook and Paperbell. Now, these two are both client management platforms designed for service-based businesses, and you can access them by simply typing in HoneyBook or Paperbell on your browser. In today's video, we're going to be comparing both of these platforms based on 6 different factors, which are purpose, key features, what they're best for, pricing, ease of use, and integration and customization. So without further ado, let's dive right in, starting with HoneyBook. So HoneyBook is a client flow management platform for freelancers, creative professionals, and small businesses combining CRM, invoicing, contracts, and project management. As for Paperbell, it's a business management tool for coaches and consultants offering scheduling, payments, contract signing, and client management in one platform. So when it comes to key features, HoneyBook has a client relationship management or CRM, and it also has or offers proposals, contracts, and invoicing, automated workflows and task management, scheduling and time tracking, custom branding, and client portals. On the other hand, Paperbell has scheduling and booking for coaching sessions. They also have payments and subscription management, digital contract signing, client intake forms and notes, as well as group coaching and package creation. So what exactly is HoneyBook best for? So HoneyBook is best suited for freelancers, creative entrepreneurs, and small businesses that need end-to-end client management, such as photographers, designers, consultants, and event planners. Now, Paperbell, on the other hand, is best suited for coaches, therapists, and consultants who need a coaching-specific platform for handling sessions, client communication, and payments. Now let's try to compare the pricing for both of these platforms. Now, HoneyBook has this annual or monthly plan. You can also see that it's divided into 3 plans, which are starter, and these are the inclusions. It's at $90 per month, and the essentials is at $39 per month. For premium, you have $79 per month. As for Paperbell is offered at both annual and monthly as well. You can see here it's $47.50 at annual, and at monthly it's $57. And this is also per month. So right, you get a bit of discount when you go for their annual, which is billed yearly with 2 months free. Now, when it comes to ease of use, HoneyBook is user-friendly but has a broader feature set. This may require some setup. As for Paperbell, it's simple and intuitive, designed specifically for coaching workflows. When it comes to integration and customization, HoneyBook integrates with QuickBooks, Calendly, Zapier, and other business tools. As for Paperbell, it integrates with Zoom, Stripe, Google Calendar, and email marketing tools. Now, in summary, you should choose HoneyBook if you're a freelancer or service-based business needing a full client management system with contracts, invoicing, and workflows. On the other hand, you should choose Paperbell if you're a coach or consultant looking for an all-in-one coaching business platform with scheduling, payments, and client management. Now, both streamline client interactions, but serve different business models. HoneyBook is broader for service-based businesses, while Paperbell is niche-specific for coaching. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.